With today's drop back under the upward channel, selling volume hasn't been exceedingly high. Nonetheless, trading and even closing under 186 wouldn't be too unrealistic, though as long as contact, such as with the upper wicks of candles, can maintain at or above 186, sentiment won't shift too bearish, and there can even be another attempt to rebound back up to fully fill in the gap at 207. However, if conditions develop to where there are at least two closes under the 186 level and or daily selling volume goes back over 110 million by the start of next week, conditions can improve for a drop down to the 173 to 166 range. Then on the plug power stock chart, there was the gap fill and bullish retracement around $3. Followed by the green surge last Friday, putting the chart in a position where the 370 to 420 range needs to be cleared within the next 6 to 9 days in order to maintain and develop upon the bullish confidence building over the past few weeks, to have price rise up along the approximate outer portion of the Fibonacci wedge. And without that kind of decisive close over 420 in this short time range, sentiment can shift back in favor for the larger downtrend from before. And if daily selling volume gets back to around 50 million, there could be a quick return back to $3. PaLTiR stock price has reached the track created by the two Fibonacci spirals discussed in a previous video that originate from the start of the bullish trend at the beginning of the year, to give a slight bearish advantage now that price has stalled into this horizontal range, where price can remain to put pressure on the 23 boundary even if selling volume remains relatively low. That means if a slight decline develops and daily selling volume gets back towards 100 million, a bearish reversal range can complete and send price towards the highest Fibonacci fan line and make reaching the 2040 level more realistic towards the second quarter of the year. A minor downswing following the curvature of the spirals can still form even if bullish volume is able to increase. Though as long as selling volume remains at its currently lower levels, price can likely stay over the lower 23 boundary to improve conditions towards an attempt at breaking over this range towards the second half of March.